Hello, and today we will be making white sauce, the bechamel. I will use it for my pizzas, but you can actually use it to add to your dishes with meat, maybe some pasta or rice. It's really great classic sauce. Here's the recipe and how to make it. You need the flour and butter, 25 grams each, 300 grams of milk and some nutmeg. Prepare all ingredients in advance because you will need to work really fast. First of all, don't do something like this with your butter, just let it sit on some fire and melt down. When it's melted, you add your flour and start to stir it. Then you will achieve something that is named by the French guys is roux. So in roux you add your milk in three parts. First part, then second part and third part, and always remove it from fire and stir down like you see in this video, because by doing it like this you will lose all the clumps. You need the sauce be without any lumps, you know. So when you actually did everything and incorporate all ingredients, you will have something like this, the great white sauce, but you need to add your spices now. So you add salt, you can add nutmeg, always nutmeg, and if you want some pepper like me, and then you add some heat to it, you know, like medium heat is nice, and stir it really hard. Don't let it sit. You can use any kind of spoon, like this spatula, or you can use this sink over here. It really works fine too. And in like 10 minutes you will have something like this. It's really very nice sauce, so tasty. Enjoy it.